Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So in this video here I will tell you the easiest way to find the percentage in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so first of all you will enter the values here. So let's suppose that you have gained marks in any of subject here. So let's suppose I will type maths here, and then here we have this total marks basically, and let's suppose that total marks are 200 and you have got like 150 marks. Okay, now to find the percentage basically, what we will going to do here, like percentage. So what we will basically do is, just wait, that we will like type here equal to, and then basically what's we gonna have to do, we will just select the first marks here and then enter the divide operator here, and then select the total marks, and then basically we have to enter the percentage symbol. Okay, so just enter this one, and then you can see that we have calculated this percentage here. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.